Do you wonder how to get the perfect roast? Our soft roasting function makes it happen. All you have to do is specify how and when your meat should be perfectly cooked. Meanwhile, you can focus on entertaining your guests or doing something else. And soft roasting takes care of the rest. The meat needs to be seared briefly first. Soft roasting is suitable for both smaller and larger cuts of meat. Season the meat to taste. And then briefly sear it on all sides to retain the lovely roasted flavors. Smells delicious. Then ideally put the meat on a wire shelf and place a tray underneath to catch any liquid. Or you can use an oven-proof dish, such as a gratin dish, to cook the meat in directly. A food probe is used to monitor the temperature. Make sure that you insert the tip of the probe into the center of the meat as far as possible. Then slide your meat into the oven and connect the food probe to the appliance. Now you just need to select the appropriate settings. Tap on Soft Roasting. You can then choose the type of meat, the cut, and the appropriate cooking level. Then just enter the roasting duration and finish time and press Start. Here's a tip. For more solid pieces such as neck or shoulder, we recommend setting a longer cooking time. This ensures these cuts come out nice and tender. And that's it. If you've specified an end time, the display will show you a countdown until the program starts. Soft roasting cooks your meat perfectly for the time you specify, so you could look after other things in the meantime.